Hi, my name is Nicole, and we are going to be doing exercise 5-13 together. And I put everything into Excel, and here we have the equations that we will be using in bold, and then in order to reformulate to get some of these other ones, I just wrote them out for ease so everybody can see. That's how my brain works, at least. So for A, we are looking for net purchases. So up here, purchases minus purchase returns and allowances will get our net purchase. So we have right here our purchases minus our purchase returns and allowances will get us this answer, which is 1,874. For B, we need to find cost of goods purchased. So we'll come back over here. Net purchases and freight in added together. And that's what we have right here. So our net purchases we just found plus our freight in right here, and that will get our answer here, which is 2,046. For cost of goods sold, here in C, we have right here cost of goods available for sale minus the ending inventory. So cost of goods available for sale right here minus our ending inventory, which will get us our answer, which is 1,967. For D, we need to find the purchase returns and allowances. So this is one of the reformulated, is purchases minus net purchases. So we have our purchases right here minus our net purchases, which will get our answer being 53. For E, we need to find our freight in. And so we come over here, and that's cost of goods purchased minus net purchases. So we'll look over here. Cost of goods purchases is 1624 minus net purchases of 1373, which will give us 251. Over here we have our ending inventory. So we'll come over here, and that's the cost of goods for sale minus cost of goods sold. So we have our cost of goods for sale, 1782, minus our cost of goods sold, which is 1,624, which will give us 158. For G, we need to find purchases, and for purchases, it is the net purchase plus the purchase returns and allowances. So we have our net purchases, which is 9,781, plus the purchase returns of 383, which gives us 10,164. Here again at H, we are doing our freight in, so we are doing our cost of goods purchased right here for 10,626 minus the net purchases, which is the 9,781. So we will get that product, and that is 845. For I, we need the cost of goods available for sale. That's the beginning inventory plus the cost of goods purchased. So we are at beginning inventory of 924 plus the cost of goods purchased, which is 10,626. And we get 11,550. We need to skip beginning inventory because we need one of these answers first. So for K, we are doing the purchase returns of allowances, which is purchases minus net purchases. So our purchases of 57,539 minus net purchases of 55,823, which gives us 55,823. Wait, no. 1,716. Sorry, looking at the wrong square. Clicked on the wrong thing. Okay, for L, we need to find cost of goods purchased. So we're back up here. So net purchases plus freight in being 55,823 right here, plus the 2,957 right here. And that answer being 58,780. Now we can go back up here to beginning inventory. So in order to get beginning inventory, so that's the cost of goods available for sale, which is right here, 65,380, minus the cost of goods purchased, which we just figured out, 58,780 right here. And then we get, oh, I forgot to hit the wrong thing. Okay, there we go, 66,000. So then we can go back into our Wiley Plus and plug in the answers, and you will see that they will all be right. So I hope this helps, and I hope that going and kind of making these in the right order for these answers helps you as well as it helped me. Great, and I hope you have a great day.